Hello, I'm Design Guy. Ready to turn your favorite travel pics into a video that wows your friends? First, click Create, then select Videos. For this tutorial, choose a landscape video format to ensure the best viewing experience. Next, go to Elements and type Air Transpired Window in the search bar. Select the matching option from the results. This will add the Air Transpired Window element to your project design. Next, add a video element behind the current one. Select the desired video and insert it into the background layer. This will enhance visual depth. Finally, attach any necessary controls or settings to synchronize with the main content. Enlarge both background elements. Next, select the image and position it behind the enlarged elements. Adjust the image size and placement to fit seamlessly within the background. This creates depth and visual interest, enhancing the overall design layout effectively. Select the video or transparent window, then adjust the image size by dragging the corners. Ensure the proportions remain consistent for optimal display. Use the on-screen handles to resize precisely, fitting the image to your desired dimensions within the workspace, enhancing overall visual balance. Position the object so it's partially visible, then adjust it slightly. Next, click Animate to open the animation options. Select the drift effect and set the intensity to maximum for a strong movement. Finally, move the object slightly to the right to enhance the effect. This sequence creates a smooth drifting animation, adding dynamic motion to your design without overwhelming the viewer. Use these steps to easily apply and customize the drift animation. The screen will turn white. Observe carefully to check if the white color remains consistent without any discoloration or abnormalities. This helps ensure the display is functioning properly without issues like dead pixels or color distortion. Move the object slightly to adjust its position. Next, try opening the feature to ensure it works correctly. The alignment looks good. Now, focus on the center of the screen, then press S to scale. Before proceeding, add a block page to organize the layout. This helps maintain structure and clarity in your project. Make sure everything is aligned and properly placed before moving on to the next step. Click S to split the element here, and again at this point to divide it further. Repeat the process to separate the elements as needed, creating distinct sections for easier editing and organization in your sequence. Add a matching book on this page. The purpose here is solely to add and link the appropriate matching book efficiently. On the second page, select the image and adjust its size to make it larger. Use the corner handles to scale the image while maintaining proportions. After resizing, zoom in to focus on the image details and ensure it fits well within the layout. This enhances visibility and impact. First, type the desired text in the text box. Next, select the text to change the font style by choosing from the Font drop-down menu. Then, adjust the font size as needed. After that, change the text color by clicking the color palette and selecting your preferred color. Finally, review your text to ensure the font and color match your design requirements before proceeding to save or apply the changes. Add effects like outline to your object, then resize it smaller using the scaling handles for a precise fit. To add animation, click the Animate button. After selecting your desired effect, press the Escape key to exit the animation menu and return to the main editing interface. Proceed with your project from here. First, click Start or Preview to play your video. This will allow you to see how the content appears during playback. Watch carefully for any issues, such as a drifting flag or other unexpected elements. If you notice any anomalies, take note of where they occur in the timeline. This preview helps identify visual errors before finalizing your project. Make adjustments as needed to correct any drifting or misplaced items. Once you're satisfied with the playback and no issues remain, proceed with the next steps in your workflow. Previewing ensures smooth, accurate video presentation. The video is playing too fast. To fix this, select the clip and extend its duration by dragging the edges. This will slow down the playback speed. Adjust the length until the motion appears smooth and natural. Play the video to review the change. If it's still too fast or too slow, continue fine-tuning the duration. Keep adjusting until the timing fits your desired pace and the visuals look comfortable to watch. This method controls the playback speed by altering clip length. Next, increase the duration to extend the effect. Adjust the timing slider to your desired length. Preview the changes to ensure the extension works smoothly. If the effect still looks good, proceed with the new duration. If not, fine-tune the timing until it fits perfectly. This allows you to customize the length without compromising quality. Remember to save your changes before exiting to keep your adjustments intact. Now, Continue editing with the updated duration. Watch the preview to ensure the video plays smoothly. Adjust settings as needed. Next, click the share button to share your video. Before downloading, increase the quality for the best resolution. Finally, click download to save your video. This ensures you get a smooth, high-quality version ready for use or sharing. Now you know how to turn travel photos into captivating videos in Canva-like, and subscribe for more creative tips.